Hello everyone. Welcome to the YouTube channel. You can examine our sliding cover products that we produce specially for the vehicle in detail from our video. We ship our products all over the world. You can reach us from the contact information in the description section of the video. Our guest is the Tata Xenon vehicle. Our sliding door products are made of aluminum materials. It is painted with static powder paint, so it will prevent corrosion. The connection to the vehicle is made with 4 clips. When the product is installed well, there will be no water problem. You can use our sliding cover product by making 3 steps back and forth. Sliding door products can be applied to the vehicle with a locked, unlocked, or central system lock if you want. Drainage is made with water channels on the side parts of the sliding cover. The water contained here is discharged through the discharge hoses located in the main body of the product. The product comes disassembled. Before placing an order, you can send us the year, make and model of your vehicle. Thank you to our customers who have already chosen us. To review our other services, you can visit our global website www.xmotors.com.